This is a demonstration of the HLImage 24-bit color tool. When working with color images, this tool can be used to control whether other plugins operate on all three color planes at once, the red, green, and blue, or just one color plane at a time. Let's open an image and draw an ROI to select one part of the image to operate on. With this blue pill selected, I'll open the histogram tool and take a histogram of that part of the image. I'll hit the spacebar to scale the histogram so that we can see it more clearly. By default, the histogram tool creates a histogram based on the luminance of each pixel in the ROI. The luminance is calculated based on the red, green, and blue values of each pixel. But what if we want a histogram of just the red values from each pixel? We open the 24-bit color tool, click red, and then add another histogram. As you can see, this histogram is very different because the red values in this blue pill are relatively low. If, on the other hand, we create a histogram of the blue values of the pixels, as you can see, it comes out much higher. Let's look at another example of what you can do with the 24-bit color tool. We'll delete the ROI, open the arithmetic tool, and use it to make a copy of the image. Pill 1 is selected as the input image, and we'll leave the output image blank so that HLImage will create a new image for us with the results of the copy. With Use RGB Arithmetic checked, the arithmetic tool will operate on all three color planes at the same time and create an exact copy of the input image. If we click Run, we get a full color copy of the image. If we want a copy of just one of the color planes, we uncheck Use RGB Arithmetic, make sure the color plane that we want is selected in the 24-bit RGB tool, clear the output image so that HLImage will create a new image for us again, and click Run again. Now we have a grayscale copy of the blue color plane of our image. Next we'll do the same thing to create a copy of the red color plane. Let's tile those images and close the tools so that we can take a closer look. As you can see, the images we got from the red and blue color planes are quite different. For example, this red pill shows up much lighter in the image from the red plane, and the blue pill shows up much lighter in the image from the blue plane. Others of HLImage's tools are affected by the 24-bit color tool too. For example, the filter tool has a Use RGB filtering checkbox, and the line profile tool doesn't have a checkbox but is affected by the setting of the 24-bit color tool.